What's up, guys?
And
Collectopia here. Yep, she messed up, but we're gonna keep going with it. Today we have Undiscovered Realms mystery boxes for you guys. Came in this giant box.
massive.
I don't remember how many I got, to be honest with you. But they were $40 mystery boxes. I want to say they came with 4 pops, with every 3 boxes it was a grail.
Chance for a grail, yeah.
So, probably our best shots at getting a grail yet. Probably still won't happen, knowing us.
But fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Always.
We're going to cut into this and try to get something good. They had a lot of cool pops, though, that were available. They, went to one of the Comic-Cons, and they were selling them, at the Comic-Con, but they also had a bunch that they put all online for people that can't go. And we obviously can't go.
Yeah.
But, so it's pretty exciting. Look at her trying to get a peek already. I want to say they're boxed. Yeah, okay.
Individually?
Yeah. Alright, guys. So we bought 4 of these. I'm gonna set this down here. Yeah. So they were $40 a pop. It was 4 pops for $40. I figured, honestly, great deal because they're about $10 a piece.
So there's 4 pops in each.
4 pops in each one of these.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, no peeking. Alright, so we're hoping for a grail. Well, let's try to start putting the grail little picture up
Yeah.
in the video, like right now-ish. You can do that, right, editor?
Hopefully.
We'll try. It'll be pretty cool. Yeah, there's actually a lot of cool grails that were available with this.
I didn't get to see, so I am...
Complete surprise for her.
Yeah, I'm always surprised for me.
Alright, don't look.
Okay.
Also, with these, they had a little... They're doing a drawing on April 2nd, and it's going to be for, a metallic Superman, I think. It's pretty cool. Or probably Batman, I don't know which one.
He was worth quite a bit.
Yeah, it's like $500 value. Yeah. But each box comes with a raffle ticket for it, pretty much. So, no looking, get the little... Oh! And our little ticket.
Oh, nice.
Right.
For the Comic-Con?
Yeah. Well, no, it's for our drawing. Oh, you can't pull that one out first.
I did!
Well, alright, well.
We always get him.
We have another Vegeta.
He's just gonna... Vegeta number 3.
Yep, this is Majin Vegeta. So, the only Vegetas we have are from mystery boxes. We don't personally collect, but I do like Dragon Ball. But we have a blue Vegeta, and we have a chrome Vegeta, and now we have Majin Vegeta with the over 9,000 exclusive sticker. I think this was one of the grails.
Yeah?
Yeah, so...
We'll have to see after this.
That's pretty nice. You can't pull these ones out first.
I wasn't sure. I thought they all had
What a
protectors.
rookie.
Okay.
I mean, we are both new to this, but we got a couple more boxes.
I'm sleepy.
Oh my goodness.
I do like me a good Disney pop.
She does like the Disney pops. And the Sleepies. Maybe we'll have the whole set here. Go ahead.
Maybe. It.
Stanley Uris. From It? Yeah.
I'm not a fan
She is.
scary movies.
She will not watch scary movies.
No. I am not.
I like them. But to be honest with you, I don't know who that is. I haven't seen it in a long time, though. I didn't watch the remake.
Oh, Stranger Things. Bob in Scrubs. I don't know who Bob is.
Yeah, you do. Remember Bob's the guy that played, he's in the...
Goonies.
Yeah. Bob's the dad, the stepdad or whatever. Not
Oh.
stepdad, but the guy. He's the guy. Yeah.
He's the guy from the newest season.
Yeah.
I'm assuming. Okay.
I want to say he's also in It, to be honest with you, but the old It. It's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll keep this with our little ticket. On to box number 2. So there's probably one in here with a soft protector, alright?
I promise I won't.
I'm going to open them up from the bottom so we don't get no hints. Now what's in here? So try to pull that one out last if you would.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure we made our money back on that one.
Mm-hmm. So how much did you say it was for each?
It was 40 for
okay.
4, so I'm going to say we made
So
our money.
hopefully each are 20 at least.
I swear I opened this up upside down. Nope, I didn't. Alright, don't look.
Did you already look?
I kind of saw one of them, but I don't know what it is, to be honest with you.
Okay, here we go.
Don't pull out the protector.
Number 1.
That's the one I saw.
King Groot.
King Groot.
He's beastly. He's from Gamerverse.
Yeah, we have a bunch of Gamerverse pops now.
I honestly don't know what that's from, what it's for.
I don't know. I think it's like a video game, obviously, because it's pop games, but I don't know what it is either, to be honest with you. But King Groot, I mean, we know who Groot is.
Do we even have any of these? No. Oh, look, you can get Howard the Duck.
He's got like a...
Do you know who Howard is?
Who's Howard?
He's from Guardians of the Galaxy. He's with the Collector.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, oh.
He's the one at the end of, he's at the end of one of the cutscenes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Feeling.
None of them are soft protectors? No Grail on this one.
Real Monsters, Crumb.
I used to watch this cartoon a lot, honestly.
I don't think I've seen this cartoon.
It's Hey, Real Monsters.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's
Real Monsters. Damn! I used to watch that a lot, honestly.
Boom.
Alright, that's pretty cool.
Another It person? Mike Hanlon.
Not excited about the It.
No.
Like I said, she doesn't watch horror, so I don't watch very much of it either anymore. But I like a Michael Myers or something, you know what I mean?
Dash from Incredibles 2.
We do already have an Incredibles 2 pop. So.
We have Fire Jack,
yeah.
I think. Boom. Next. Open it from the bottom.
Yeah, I tried. I don't know which way. I think this is the bottom.
I think you can tell like when you squish the top and you feel the bubble.
I don't know.
I think you opened it from the top again.
Well, we're gonna find out. But yeah, so I mean, I don't know if we're gonna get another good one because I think that Vegeta's a pretty good one, honestly.
We've been getting a lot of him lately.
Yeah.
He's just...
I might have to have her watch. Oh, no, this one's from the bottom. All right.
Oh, great.
No looking. Oh, there is a soft protector. I felt it. Didn't see it, but I felt it.
Okay, so... Dash again.
That's the chance you take when you order multiple mystery boxes.
We got Dash again, guys.
Yeah.
That's my phone.
There goes her phone. Hey, no calling anyone. You're on air. Don't pull the soft protector.
At first I thought there were two in here.
There might be. Hopefully.
Halo
Master Chief. Yo, with
Cortana?
Yeah.
What is that?
That's his little
Mushroom?
thing that talks to him. No.
Oh.
It's his little like, AI companion.
I don't play Halo. Actually,
I used to love Halo.
way back when I used to play.
Yeah, I used to absolutely love Halo. But I haven't had an Xbox for a while, so.
Do they only have it on Xbox?
No, yeah. You might be able to play it on PC, I don't know. But
I think you can play
it wasn't
on PC.
PlayStation.
What is this? The Brady Bunch?
Marsha. Marsha Brady from the Brady Bunch, guys.
Oh, I actually love that show. They used to play it like for the holidays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the Brady Bunch growing up. And Soft Protector, what we got?
Red Hulk.
What? Oh my goodness.
For those of you that don't know, we already have Red Hulk.
We do have Red
But
Hulk.
he came in a protector.
Yeah, so this one's probably a box upgrade, honestly.
Yeah.
So we'll probably pull it on.
Get rid of the other one.
Yeah?
Yeah. Next.
Actually, I don't know if I'll get rid of him because I feel like he's going to start going up in price because he's vaulted and he's Marvel. And he's kind of one of a kind. He's been climbing recently, so I just hold on to him.
His teeth look better too in this one than the other guy.
Yeah, the other pop's pretty messed up.
Yeah.
It's definitely a damaged pop. So.
Okay.
Alright, no looking.
Did you open it from... Okay.
Can't see.
Oh, there's another one in here.
Oh! Look at us go. Hopefully, I don't know if that Vegeta, how big of a grad it
Pork
is.
chop.
But...
Isn't this from... Oh, from Doug.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at the box.
Holy crap, guys. This box is actually destroyed. Like, it's...
Bubbling.
Yeah, it's like peeling apart right here. Like, the actual back's peeling off of it.
I mean, I think we can probably, if we have like double-sided tape, so it doesn't fall apart
Yeah,
anymore.
I mean, if you just taped it right there or glued it right there, it would be fine, but still.
Yeah.
You're paying $40.
You expect to have nice.
Yeah, you're not paying for damaged pops. But,
Yeah.
I mean, hey, maybe they got a nice grail in here. We got a soft protector in here, so maybe they made up for it. I don't know yet. I'm not going to talk too bad on them.
Supreme Leader Snoke. I think he's from the new one.
He is, yeah.
Yeah.
He's the one that fights with he's the one that trains, what's his name? Kylo Ren.
Yeah.
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 That's pretty cool. I like Star Wars, so.
We'll put him here so he doesn't fall. Okay,
right.
we have 2 more.
2 more?
Okay. Oh, it's Dopey.
Hey, at least it's not the same one. You got 2 of them.
We did get some double duplicates here today.
Yeah.
Okay.
So far.
Last but
Alright.
not least.
See if they made up for this damaged Doug box.
Who's this? Heavy Metal Tarna? I don't know who this is.
Let me see. Yeah, I have no idea. So it's like a action pose. She got like her little skimpy bikini thing on with her sword. It's a Toy Tokyo San Diego 2018 limited edition. I imagine somebody knows who this is. If you guys know who this is, comment down below. Let us know. We would like to know. But it's pretty cool. I mean, we'll find out the price on her, but I mean, she is in a little thing. We did get 3 soft protectors, so.
Yeah. We did get 2 duplicates.
1 duplicates.
Well, I mean, we already have.
Oh, well, yeah, the Red Hulk, but
that's wasn't
box
there.
upgrade, so I'm not even mad about that. And we got 4 chances at metallic Batman or Superman. I can't remember which one.
We didn't get him. Sad.
What?
We didn't get him.
No, the raffle.
Oh, the raffle.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
There you go. All right, we'll do some value checking and we'll get right back to you guys.
Welcome back.
Guys.
So we hit our first grail.
Yeah.
This little number here.
He's got the sticker on him too. He's got the over9000.com exclusive. His boxes honestly looks perfect.
Mm-hmm. How much was he?
So the Funko app has him at 120, but we looked him up online and he's selling for about 160 right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really good.
Actually insane. Mm-hmm. And so we paid 160 for all these pops over here. You see? And then these 3 right here. These are the grails we got. So, like I said, the Vegeta is selling like 120 to 160. The Red Hulk, which we already have, but it is an upgraded box. The box is nicer. He just looks really good. I really like this pop. He's sitting at 33. And then this heavy metal
Whoever she is.
Tarna. I really have no idea what this is. The back's not. It doesn't have any other pops. It just has her riding a pterodactyl.
Yeah, in cartoon form.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy, but so it's pretty cool. But she's 35, so I mean, we paid 160 for everything, and we made $300 back in value.
Yeah, which is really crazy. Everything else that we got in the box was either $8 to $11.
Yeah, most of the pops were small value. Like without getting him, we still would have made our money back because I mean it was $40 for 4 pops. Honestly, an amazing deal. If they would have all been $8, you lose a little bit of money. But so but you have the chance of getting grails,
which we did.
Grails. So and honestly, a lot of pops we like. A lot of stuff in here that we're probably not going to hold on to, honestly.
No, a lot of it pops.
Yeah.
Probably going to get rid of. We have 2 flash pops.
Dashes. I mean, and we have the Fire Jack back here somewhere, so I mean, we might collect that series. She likes the movies.
Yeah, but we'd get rid of one of the Dash pops.
Yeah, but honestly, for 4 boxes, only getting 1 repeat, it's not bad.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah.
Honestly, loved it.
I loved it. I would probably get or order another box from them again since this is the first time we've gotten a grail, and most places that we bought from also promise grails.
I mean, it's a chance at the end of the day. You know?
Yeah.
And this time we got lucky, but
yeah,
Undiscovered Realms will probably order again.
And we got entered into...
Yeah, and we get tickets to enter into the...
Raffle. For blue...
These guys are doing it right.
Yeah.
Like, we've done some other ones that were like... Yeah. I mean, I don't think we've really had like a mystery box we didn't that we didn't like yet. There's some we're not going to order from again just because we didn't see the value there.
Yeah.
But I don't think these guys. I heard about them from somebody else on YouTube. I can't remember who though. So I decided to look up the website, and I just happened to look it up, and they're doing these boxes, and I was like, all right, let's get some.
Yeah, and they did great. We pulled it off.
Yeah, loved it. Well, thanks for watching, guys.
And we'll see you next time.
Yep. Adios.
Bye.